Welcome to the instructions video for the Wave Velocity Interactive Calculator. This calculator helps you determine how fast a wave travels through any medium by using the fundamental relationship between frequency and wavelength. It's perfect for physics students, engineers, and anyone working with wave phenomena. To use this calculator, you'll need to enter two key values. First, input the frequency of your wave in hertz. This represents how many wave cycles occur per second. For our example, let's enter 500 Hz. Next, enter the wavelength in meters. This is the distance between two consecutive wave peaks. We'll input 0.68 meters, which is typical for sound waves in air. The calculator uses the wave equation, velocity equals frequency times wavelength, to compute the result. After clicking Calculate, you'll see the wave velocity displayed in meters per second. In our example, this gives us 340 meters per second, which is the speed of sound at room temperature. We have thousands of other free engineering calculators on our website. Head over and check them out.